Today's lab we are discussing about the protein analysis by a Western blot technique. Here you can see the gel preparation stand, comb and plates. Clean the plates properly. Set the plate into the stand properly. Tight properly so gel should not leak. This is a formula for preparation of gel. We are going to prepare resolving and stacking gel by this given formula. According to molecular weight, you can choose the percentage of gel. Percentage of gel depends on the acrylamide present in the gel. Take all the reagents given in the formula. At the end, add T-Med. Mix it properly and load into the plates. You can see here, avoid bubbles. At the end, add little amount of water to avoid the breaking. After keep little amount remaining in the falcon so you can confirm the solidification of gel. After your gel solidified, remove the remaining water. Here you can see the solidified gel. Prepare stacking gel according to the formula. Mix it properly and in the upper layer add stacking. Avoid bubbles. Place comb. After gel preparation, remove the plates. Wash it carefully and remove the foam under running tap water or in running buffer. Remove carefully so wells should not break. You can see here wells are proper. Arrange the plates into the running cassette. Short plate should be inside. Close it properly. Place into the tank. Red electrode should be at red side. Add running buffer. Load prepared sample as we have calculated in last lab. Load it carefully. Avoid bubbles. Samples should be placed carefully in each well. It should not come out. Place the electrodes. Set the voltage and run. You can see the bubbles. After completion of run, remove the after the completion of run, output for transfer. Take a gel on pad, avoid bubbles. First wet your PVDF membrane in methanol. After place properly on gel, place another pad. Remove bubbles by rolling. Then keep this pad on sponge on both sides. Wilt it on black side, but membrane should be on white side. After preparation, place it in transfer buffer. Black side should be on black side. You can see black on black side. Place it properly. Add cold transfer buffer. According to molecular weight, put it for transfer in 4 degree. After completion of transfer, remove remove the membrane and wash it in washing buffer PBST. Now we are using here PBST. Wash it for 5 minutes on shaker. You can see here markers. Protein is transferred on downside, so downside should be facing upward. Wait for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add blocking. We are using 3% DSA for blocking. Add sufficient blotting to cover the surface area. Keep it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, remove the blocking and add primary antibody. We are incubating the membrane with primary antibody overnight at 4 degrees Celsius. Next, I remove the boxes and remove your primary antibody. Now give 3 washes with washing buffer, EBST or TBST. 10 minutes washes are sufficient to remove the unbound antibody. After 3 washes, add secondary antibody for 1 hour at room temperature. After secondary antibody incubation, give 3 washes with pre-BST or TBST to remove unbound secondary antibody. After 3 washes, we can go for detection on the instrument, on the Fusion Plus software. Wait for optimal camera cooling. Then add ACL on membrane. Spread it properly. Incubate it for 1 minute. Place the membrane on stage properly. Close the door. Click on preview. You can see the position of membrane. You can adjust the position accordingly. Then start. Then start the automatic detection. Here you can see the pans. Save the images properly and shut down the instrument. Clean your stage.